Welcome back, children. Activity time. After you finish writing, let's do practice with our alphabet kit. And you're going to take out your "and" card first, okay? Because we are going to revise "and" words. Alright, children. Now let's place our "and" cards here. And we are going to make the first word. So, for Anna, fan. Let's place "for" in front of "an". Read. For Anna, fan. Now come to the next word. Second word, that is man. So, "and" remains same. "For" is removed, okay? And we are going to place "mer" card in front. And we are going to say it loudly. Mer and man. Very good, my children. Now come to the third word. We remove the first sound and we place "p". So it becomes "per" and pan. Per and pan. Come to the fourth word. Let's remove "per" and in place of "per" comes "r". R and ran. R and ran. Well done, children. Number 5. And the first sound to be removed. And which sound comes now? V. Very good. So let's place V. V and van. V and van. Well done, children. Now, next word. First sound will change and the last sound will also change. Now "and" words are finished. New word, that is app. So we will need "per" card. So we're going to place "per" after "a" to make app. Okay? So let's start app words. Now, "k", app, cap. So the first sound is "k". Let's place "k". Now let's repeat. "K", app, cap. "K", app, cap. Well done. Now number 7. The first sound is "g". Let's place our "g" card and read. "G", app, gap. "G", app, gap. Well done, babies. Now number 8. What is the first sound? Take out the card. M. Very good. Let's place "m" card here and read it loudly. M, app, map. M, app, map. Well done. Number 9. N to be removed and next sound is N. M is removed and N sound. Okay? So let's read. N, app, nap. N, app, nap. Number 10. N to remove and T to place. So let's read. T, app, tap. T, app, tap. Now our last word. And it has 4 sounds. So the first sound will change. And we have 2 sounds. K and L. So let's place K and L together. Okay? We are going to read them together now. Okay, now 4 sounds ready. Let's read. This becomes cl. Cl. App, app. Clap. Cl, app, clap. And I'm going to clap for you. Well done, my children.